stretch that. Sweet. I got some.
Oh man.
I'm getting it. It hurts.
Definitely doesn't feel like shaving with a razor.
No. Alright.
I can't believe we're doing this.
Alright, one more time. Down a little bit. There's the guy. Alright.
Hold on. I can't wait to put this on Facebook. Alright, I'm ready. Oh shit. That felt like you're cutting my lip.
No sudden movements.
Okay. I can't believe we just did this.
Alright, almost done. Here, wipe your face off. Stop twitching. There you go.
You're hitting my lip and it's like, oh, he's gonna cut through me.
Alright. Oh, cutting right there. Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah, right there.
I'm not cutting you, it's just I can feel it. It's just kind of get in there, so yeah, that'll be better. Alright. I think that's it.